Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about the legal structure of a startup. Now I know legal structure can be very confusing and a boring topic. And that's why to make it interesting, I'm going to take an example of two different people and I'm going to explain legal structure with the help of an interesting story. Let's say two people, Navdeep and Sophia, they wanted to start a startup and they are solving a real life problem with the help of technology. Now, Navdeep had a good experience at sales. He's an MBA graduate, he's a hustler, but he have very less idea about coding. And that's why Navdeep is taking help from Sophia. Now, Sophia is working in an IT company. Now, Sophia have a good experience in IT domain. She's working in multiple companies. She have built multiple startups, technology startups, and she have a good understanding about how to write code, how to build scalable technology product. So now you have a hustler and hacker in your team. Now you have hustler and hacker in your team. Now it's a good combination to solve a problem. So they started working on this startup and now they have 5 customers and $10,000 in revenue. Now they have customers and revenue in place. Now they are planning to raise some capital. But obviously they have some problem in front of them. They have all these 4 options and they wanted to register themselves in these kind of legal entities. So they are confused. We should register ourselves as a sole proprietorship or as a partnership firm or as a legal liability company or as a corporation. They do not have any idea about all these 4 different types of legal structure. And that's why they were talking to different lawyers, to different people to understand all these 4 different type of legal structure which is used by all the businesses, all the startup. So let's quickly understand all these 4 different types of legal structure that you can use if you're starting your own business or your own startup. Let's start our journey by understanding sole proprietorship. But before that, this is not a legal advice. Please talk to your lawyer in case of any legal help. The main purpose of this course is to make you aware about all these basic terminologies that you have to understand if you're starting your own business or a startup.